Fills it up nicely into the third zone. Also fills it up at backside angle into the fourth. Gets 3 tires inside. Messes up that transition there, but gets into 5 across the line. All right, sir. Watch the light. Onto the main screen. Cleaner flick inside. Gets 2 tires in. The physical momentum. Snaps it into zone 2. Gets out perfectly. Into zone 3. Builds it up a better angle this time, which will get you into zone 4 much better. Cleaner transition there. Into zone 5 and across the line of big angle.
Second run, got 88.6.
Alright, third and last run. Alright, watch the light. Third and last run, approaching the first zone. Oh!